How to create a QR code for your WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To create a QR code for your WhatsApp group, first you need to ensure you are the admin of the WhatsApp group for which you want to create the QR code of. For that, launch WhatsApp first. Sign in to your account and open the group. Now tap on the group name at top left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the Members section. Now tap on the option of Invite via link. Here you will see the option of QR code. Simply tap on QR code and the unique QR code for the group will appear. You can easily tap the share button in the top right corner to save, print or share the QR code. Anyone with this QR code can scan it via their WhatsApp camera to join the group. So in this way, you can easily create a QR code for your WhatsApp group. That was quite easy and quick. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.